Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, what we are going to do is we are going to study some furnaces, and from that the first furnace which we are going to see is electric arc furnace. What is a furnace? Furnace is exactly used for melting of the metal, and it is used in our casting. So melted metal is used in our casting, and what happens is the metal solidifies in our casting and mold is finally prepared. What happens is melting is done in many ways, like in different furnaces. So the first furnace is electric arc furnace. If you see further classification of the furnaces, they are electric arc furnace, they are crucible furnace, they are cupola, etc. These are some basic furnaces. So when we will talk about electric arc furnace, the name itself suggests electrical arc is used for melting. So again, I will tell you, furnaces are only used for melting of the metal, but when we'll talk about electric arc, then electric arc is used. When we'll talk about crucible, then another arrangement is used. So we'll go into further into detail into this. Electric arc furnace use a high voltage current. Basically, what happens is current is supplied to the arcs. There are 3-4 arcs in a crucible or in a bath where your exact metal is kept. Heating is done in the form of electric current, and the metal is melted and poured out from the corners of the furnace. So in this diagram, you can see that there are 3 or 4 electrical arcs. There is a slag spot. There is a spot from where you can remove your material. So what happens is electricity is supplied, the material is heated, and it can be removed easily from the spot. Refractory linings are provided inside where it is exactly used to sustain the heat of the molten metal. As your molten metal is at a very high temperature, electricity is supplied, temperature is increased, so the vessel has to sustain the temperature. So for that reason, refractory linings are provided. And also there is a slag spot, there is a spot where your metal is collected. So whole assembly is just used for melting and collecting the metal. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and do subscribe our channel Ekeeda.